welcome to Harley's Nature Show. Today we're taking a hike in the woods and seeing if we come across anything interesting. You found something interesting? Whoop. Now keep back from that, because that looks like actually a man-made brush pile, and they're probably going to burn it later. We would not want to come back over here when they are doing burning some sticks, huh?
Yeah, good thing we showed up.
Good thing we came while we did.
That tree got cut down, and it looks like it's a part of that tree.
Yeah, it fell down, huh?
Yeah.
It looks. Yeah, it actually did get cut down. Somebody cut that one down. All right, let's go explore over at the stream for a minute. Come on, guys.
Let's keep exploring down here.
There's a little stream over here, which is pretty neat. You never know what you're going to find around a water source. Especially in the spring. What do you think we could find in a little stream like this?
I don't know.
We're trying to put that down.
I don't know. We probably found something nice. I know where some more things would be.
Oh yeah?
This little waterfall.
The little waterfall?
There's a mini waterfall.
Oh, that looks neat. Let's go check it out. Whoa.
It's so cool.
Careful.
Don't go down.
Yeah, don't fall in there, please. That is neat, though.
I'm gonna try to stop it from falling.
I don't think you can stop the water from falling. But you know what we could find in a little stream like this?
We could find, well, moving water is...
Moving water is not good for like tadpoles and such.
Yeah.
But maybe turtles might be around here, or crayfish might be hiding under something. It's still pretty early in the spring, so we might not find anything yet. But you never know. And in this pool down here at the base of the waterfall, some parts of it are slow enough that we might actually find tadpoles. There's some parts of it that aren't really moving at all over there. So it is possible that frogs would be laying their eggs here. What a cool find to come across a little waterfall.
I know.
What are you doing? Oh, that was a good jump. Too bad I wasn't aiming the camera over there.
It's okay. I got it on film.
Whoa. Okay, no throwing things. That's not nice. We don't want to disturb we want to observe, not disturb, right? Observe, not disturb. Oh, yeah. Well, I'm pretty excited that we found this cool waterfall while we were out looking for nature. Maybe later on we'll come back here and we'll find some turtles. We'll have to keep checking it out, because you never know what you're gonna find. Thanks for watching.